Higher education institutions are facing increasing financial challenges. This has been caused by decline in real terms income from UK undergraduates and inflationary and economic pressures on operating costs. Whilst these pressures have historically been mitigated by buoyant overseas recruitment, a seismic change happened in 23-24, whereby a significant fall in international numbers was reported. Subsequently, 40% of institutions are expected to report a deficit, and it is predicted that this could rise to 72% of institutions in 24-25. Universities must therefore do more to make their finances work. They must control costs and embark on a sustained efficiency and reform programme. It's therefore of vital importance that higher education professionals understand the financial context of their institution, develop their understanding of how costs behave and how to control and minimise their costs. Consider how to set sustainable prices for revenue streams where the pricing decision rests with the institution, and develop their understanding of realistic budget setting and the importance of effective monitoring. Improving the financial management skills of higher education professionals should aid their future decision making and help contribute to a more sustainable future for their institution.